dryer. Did you know that our Samsung style drum is different than this?
Yeah.
It's a mini! I can even stick my hands in it. If no jumpy liquid comes out. LG. Weird. Strange, it's got little lumps. Well, that's something. It doesn't make that sound like a wash machine. Look how small it is. I've got to see the thuds in this one. I've got to see the thuds in this LG. They're all like dirty, but it'll all wash off when someone uses it. Weird. Second-hand Becco. And do you remember that we used to have this machine? Papa,
Mm-hmm.
Papa, I remembered this machine. Becco. It's got some junk. Junk. Here, can you hold them for a minute? Can I open this? Oh, can you open that? That filter in there. Can you open the filter? Close that Becco. Open the filters. It's a weird filter. Whoa. There's no blade in there. There's no filter blade. There is no filter blade inside. There is absolutely no filter blade.
There's not that much difference between that and blades. Blades are very
LG.
This one's got the advantage over that one because
Don't pull anything out.
How can I open
No,
this?
you don't need to.
Yes, I want to see it. It's a good food.
We're just here to look, not take them apart. I don't want you undoing everything.
Look at this.
Yeah.
All the ones are
What make is it?
It's a Becca. It's an Anderson. Weird. That's weird. How did they hide them under that? Look how small it is. It's a mini machine. Look how small it is.
It
It's
is.
mini.
Yeah.
It's a mini. Papa, did you not know there was such a thing as electronics machines?
Yeah.
So tiny.
It is.
And it's light.
Yeah.
I think it's light. But it's a good machine. Look
Yeah.
how small it is. It's a lot. This is a Bosch. Oh,
Yeah.
I really like this.
Yeah.
No,
No, come on, you got all these to look at.
I want all of them to see.
I can't hold you up there.
Can you lift me
No.
up? Lift me. Because I want to see them.